So I guess I'm audible. Okay, so last session we just saw some sliding window problems, and I just quit one of the problem in halfway. So we try to solve that in this session. If we have time, we try to solve any other sliding window problems. Okay, so the problem is maximum sum of a subarray with k elements. No, we solved that already in the last class. So, and we search some lead code on the same kind of thing, the maximum sum of subarray, the k elements kind of thing. And we got some problem in lead code. So it's a medium problem. So we try to solve that in this session. So this is the sum of a distant uh, subarrays with length k. Okay, I coded this one, but it is not working, I guess. Yeah, the sketches are. So there is some wrong calculations or pseudocode or code. So I guess we try to solve that. So for the new commas, so let me explain the problem once again. So we need to check the maximum sum from a subarray of this given array. So the only condition they had given is so the number should not distinct. So let's say if the window size is k is equal to 3, that should be three unique numbers and should not contain any two uh, same numbers. So you are given an integer, the maximum subarray is the following conditions. Okay, so all the elements. So there shouldn't be repeated numbers in any of the place given in the window size. So let's say we okay. So in this, the solution we gave is we have window some variable and just slide using the slicing property in Python. So get the first three sum of an array. So this will be the window sum, and then we just defaultly add the window sum to the result, and then just nested loop it, iterate it. I thought it will be the name, but still it's not working. So we are decided to use set. So we all know that in set the elements should be distinct and should not any repeated. So if you guys have any question with the distinct element condition, so try using set structure. So but the thing is I don't know where to use this set. So I'll try solving this one. So first we make a variable and then result. It's common. And then for I in range of length of n minus k. Here, what is the length of array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 3, 4. Yeah, 7. Minus 3, 4. So at the fourth index, the id will be stopped. The reason is the window size is 3, right? So if we move pointer to the fifth index, it doesn't get three elements. So it's the error out of index will be raised. So for that, the loop condition is there. So and then we just use a set function inside a loop. So why I use inside a loop is so while iterating, we need to check each and every each and every window inside the numbers are inside the window, right? So it all need to be distinct. So for that reason, I Just use sets inside the for loop and then just append the I. So here we need one condition, right? So let's say if array of I not in set means, sorry, sets means we just set dot append I, array of I, right? Or else here I need to search for some things like continuous statement. Python control flow statements used within for loop and while loop to skip the rest of the current iteration and proceed for the next iteration. So you guys know. So if let's say this loop is running, so it gets 9 and then up and then set and then again the 9 is there. So we don't want to iterate these. Instead, we just move on to the next loop. So for that, we use continue. So I just use okay. Now, so after appending all these, what we need to do is we just sum all the numbers inside this set, right? So I just make Windows sum is equal to sum of sets, right? And then we just append. No. Oh, we don't need to just append. This is right here, and then I guess so. So we just try to dry run this code so that we can understand whether is there any problem in the solution that we come up with. So I just quickly erase this one. Okay. So Windows sum is 0. So guys, just a second. Okay. So here the Windows sum is 0, right? I just mentioned W. So the Windows sum is 0 currently, and then the result is minus infinity. So I just keep uh, blank. So for I in range, so here I is there. Okay, so sets we just use set. I just use like an array. Okay, so for array of I not in set. So this C is in here. There is no element named one. So just append one. Okay, okay. So here we had an issue. We need to check these two numbers, but it will iterate I, right? So we need to check for that. We missed that. Okay, so for that, what we can do is, so we just refer the last problem. We already did that, right? So here, let's say for I in range, see here I is there. It just local, it's sum the local, right? The local sum is the first three elements. Okay, so how it working is, so it's a simple thing. Let's say for that we need first window total. Right. Let's say if there is the first total is 5 plus 4 is 9 and then plus 1 10. So here. The first window total is 10, right? Let's say if we need this window size, what we need to do from this 10 itself, we can calculate the next window size. How can it's possible, right? So here, if we look closely, these two numbers are same in this 10, right? So the only number is changing is this and this. We need to remove the first element and the last element. That's it. So from the total of the first window size, just minus the array of I, right? So the first element, and then introduce the last element. Sorry, add the last element. By this, we can know this window size. 5 fours are 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Then 10, 11. So the answer is 11. Here 9 plus 11 plus 2, 11. Okay. If we look closely, we can do it. So you guys have some questions like, how can we take this two, right? So let's say we have I at zero, right? So even and the next important thing is, even though we calculate the first window size, we need to iterate I from the index zero itself. Okay, then only we can remove this one by using array of I, right? We can remove array of I, the sum of the window, previous window. We already stored it in this variable. And then for the next variable, we just use the window size. Let's say I plus the k. K is 3, right? This will be the window size. If we add this two, we get 0 plus 3, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? So this is like the sliding window, make it simple. So just know this one. So with these three things, we can calculate and slide through this array. So we try to implement the same logic here. So since we are in here, right? The thing we don't have is the first window sizes. So first window size we don't have, but we need to calculate that, right? Or else we have it some other way. So we can able to do like the previous problem, just find the uh, first window size. But the problem is, in the given test case, they already have, let's say, in test case example two, the distinct numbers are in the first itself. So this is the problem we have. So it's like slightly tricky in here. So if we find a way to somehow calculate the first window size without repeated elements. So I guess we can find a solution here. So how can we approach this? If you guys have any, hi, hi bro, hi Carla. If you guys have any idea, please mention in the comment section, or you guys code along me to learn DSA. Yeah. Okay, so we try to solve this one. Uh, okay, just leave the second test case. Let's solve the first one. So we just calculate the first window sum. So for that, we are just using the window sum is equal to just sum all the first three elements, right? So till k. Okay. So and then we just append this one in no. So we just change the value. So we just store the Windows sum value in result. Okay. So by this, what will happen is, so first we have 5, 9, and 10. Okay. So window size is 10. Sorry, just a second. I just said this one. So okay. So here we have 10, and then result also we have 10, right? So what's next? So I is in here. If array not in sets, okay, we just append, right? After appending it, let's say we try to use a nested loop in here. Just a try. Wait a second. Okay, so I just uh, use nested for j in range or in g. So now in j till where we need to calculate means. So let's say we have j right here. So till here 4, right? So how can we get the index is 2, 0, 1, 2. We need somehow 2 in here. Uh, Length of array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 3. Okay, no. Sorry, we already have the first window size, right? So let's try moving the j pointer to the next one, like this here, and then till here, right? So I plus k, what will be the answer, right? So k is 3, I is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I plus k is the, till I plus k, we need to iterate the j, right? So yeah, here from I plus 1 till I plus k, right? So in here, I think we need to use break. So we need to break from this loop, right? I had a doubt on the break statement. Okay. If we use break, will it runs the remaining below code and then move to outer loop or just move to the outer loop? Executed within the loop, it immediately terminates that innermost loop and transfer control to the control string following the loop. This only breaks the inner J loop, right? As seen in the output. Okay, so we just try to. So we are range 3. We just print outer loop iteration for J in range 3. Sorry, just. So inner loop iteration, this only breaks the inner loop. Okay, so outer loop is 0. Inner loop, okay. And then inner loop is 0. So it breaks this one and doesn't print this one, but print this one. Okay, so it will run the remaining code. So we need to use some other statement. So break, I guess what are the statements are there? Break, continue, and then we just keep it like this. So we just try to run this one. I guess it will work, or else we try to dry run this one. So the window sum is 0, and the result is equal to sorry, sorry. So float of minus infinity. Then we just calculate the window sum equal to sum of array of the slicing property, and then we just store the window sum result value in the result, right? So we just loop, right? So okay, let's create a set. Uh, I plus k, right? Yeah. Okay. So if sorry, I made a mistake, right? So the name of array is nums. So, yeah, right. So nums I, not insert. So here for checking this one, right? So this will take O of one complex. So it's a complex time. Sorry, not complex. So constant time complexity. So instead of using an array, we just need to iterate over the array, right? So it will make us O of n. So it's very much optimized. So we just append array and then else break. The window sum is equal to just the sum of sets, and then we just store the result, just max. So what we need to return us. So what we need to return is the result, right? So at least the first test case should run. No. So the object has no, sorry. There is no attribute called append instead. It's add. In array only we have append operation for adding. Still, we have some issues. Don't know where the problem is. Here 5, 6, 9, 10, right? So that's the output we have. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I guess it's not iterating in our situation. So this is the answer we have. It doesn't max it out. So this loop we have some issues. So let us check here. We just try to dry run so that we can know if there are any issues in there or not. Okay, so yeah. So here 10 and then 10. So I in here. Okay, so this condition works. And then we just use the set for j in range I plus 1. Yeah, okay. Set. And then till I plus k. So I plus 1 is 1 till I is 0 plus k 3. Right. So till 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. If array of I not in sets. Okay, it's not in set. So we just need to append array of I. So we just append. Okay. Array of I. And then next the j will move on. Okay. Now here the j is here. And then check all the conditions. Next. Okay. Now after that we just move the j. Just 789. I guess this is the problem. It doesn't include this last integer. Okay. So let's try I plus k plus 1 as of now. So if I is here, uh, let's say here length of array minus k, right? 7 minus 3 is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So till this it will stop. It will get stopped. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this case, I plus 1 is j. So j will be here, right? So after here, the end is I is 3 plus 3 6 plus 7 plus 1 7. So till here, right? So I think it will give us an outlist out of bound error or else it will run. So I don't know. We just check it out. Still, okay. So I think there are some other problems here. So let's say I is here, J is here, and then 5, 4, and then 2. We just make 2 here. After this, this loop gets end, and then the window sum is sum of sets, right? So it will add these all three. I guess I'm audible. Sorry for the delay. Okay, so it will add these three and then store it in the Windows sum, right? So now the Windows sum is 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the value is 11. And then we just 11 comma 10, just make 11. But it's not get updating. I don't know why. Okay, so I guess we have an issue. We need to try it in different way, I guess. So this is not working. So if you guys have any idea, please post it in the comments. I just give you the guys the lead code problem number. It's 2461. Uh, just a second. Okay. So yeah, we try to. Uh, okay. So this is not working. Okay. So we just erase all these things. We just concentrate on the one thing, right? So what we need is we just need to calculate the first window size. In this, the conditions are there is only one condition. There should not be any distinct elements. Sorry, there should be distinct elements. So no repeated. So how can we do that? So if we can do this, I think this problem will be get simple. So so the one thing I know is so we need to create a set. So that's for sure. Okay. So we just iterate one. We just store it in the set, and then next five, and then next four. So for that, let's say I just need to open a Python compiler. So we just try it out some examples. Let's say so I just given an array of one, sorry, one, two, three, three. So for I in uh, for I in range of array, uh, we just need to create a set, right? So sets is equal to set, uh, and then sets dot add array of I. So okay, so just try to return the result. Okay, so here it's having list objects cannot be interpreted as an integer. Uh, sorry. For I in range of length of array. Sorry. Okay, okay. So yeah, so even though so I think we don't need this condition checking. Okay, so it already checks. Okay, so so with this loop we can able to import all these right in inside. Okay, so after this can be able to add these elements, right? So we need to add and store it in the result. So I just make result is equal to zero, right? So after for loop, what we need is sets dot add. Uh, I just store it in result. Okay. Will it give the result or not? No. Takes exactly one argument. Okay. So so sets dot add work. Similar to add methods in other language like Java, set information will not ever go to. duplicate elements. The primary reason set dot add might appear not work if its element being added is already present in sets. Sets by definition only store. Two is already added. Okay. So, sorry. I think it's some, I guess so. No, still not working. Will not work in Python. Set objects do not have built-in dot sum method. So total sum is equal to okay. Sorry. So I guess uh, the syntax I give is wrong. So now it's working. Okay. Okay. So now let's try with the number they given. So this is the number they are given, right? So let's say 4 comma 4 comma 4 comma 4. Okay, so it still gives an answer. So what we need is we need the output as 0. So okay, so I just give an if condition here. If uh, so array of I not in sets means we just do this one. Return outside. Sorry, I think we need a function here. Uh, I just print it out. Okay, 004. Why is that? Uh, just quickly make a function. Def. Yeah. So we need a integrator search. Then taking this equal to 0. Of array. Search means what we need is so we just add the array of I, or else we just print 0. Right. What we need to return uh, else we just need to return the sets. Okay, so return sets. Right. So sorry, we don't need a print statement here. Return 0. Okay, so okay, yeah, this works. Yeah, okay. So the second one we got the answer. So what about the first one? But again, the important thing is we didn't even use the sliding window. We just make sure there is no duplicate numbers. So that's the main thing inside the window. So after that, okay. So now we just uh, add the all remaining stuffs. So so we just need to add the remaining stuff, right? So I just take mine. So in this, what we need to add is we need a Windows sum. So I just make a window sum 0, right? We just implement the sets not in here, but rather inside the for loop, right? So that we can make every new set for every new window. Okay, now we just make a result as 0. Okay, so that's no problem. So now here we already created a set. Okay, so we just take an I and then check is there any if the number is already in set or not. If there is a number, we just return 0, right? Okay, so okay, so here the condition is till where we need to iterate. So till k, right? So I already just said that why this condition is k. So we just make sure till k is equal to 3, right? So okay, okay. Now we get the set. We just add, and then again the thing I'm stuck in. So we have I here, right? So it happens this set, but we don't need a whole full set. We just need the window size, the subarray. The window size is 3, right? So till here we I need that. So how can I separate that? So let's say if array of I not in set, we just okay, and then it goes on, and then it goes on. Uh, I just use for j in array of what's the j in range I plus 1 comma I plus k plus 1, right? I just write out. So if uh, we just okay, after this what we need is after returning 0, uh, we just windows sum is equal to sum of sets, right? We just sum it up. After that we just okay, so again we had issue, we sorry, it's inside the loop, so that it's make us every iteration windows size, right? Okay, so sorry, windows sum, right? Okay, so let's check with the uh, test case they are given. Okay, so this is the test case. Zero. Ooh. Ah, okay, so again we just try run this one. I don't know where the mistake is. So if you guys have any uh, idea, please comment it. I don't know how to approach this. This is harder than I expect. Okay, so again, I just try 154. Okay, so this is an array we had, right? Okay, so Windows is 0, result is 0, and then for I in range, okay, so till here it will going to iterate, so till 2, right? And then sets, we just create a new set, and then for j in range inside I plus 1. Oh, So it doesn't get the first window size. So I just from J to J is here, right? So J, I need to go here till here. J need to be till here. Okay, how can I do that? Uh, I plus K? No, it's not possible. I plus K minus 1, let's say. I try this one. I plus K minus 1 till here. Okay. So I is 0, K is 3. So I plus K is 3 minus 2, 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so 2. So if array of I not in sets, okay, no, it's not in set 1. So just append 1 and then 5 and then 4. Right? 5, 4, 9, 10. Right? So the Windows sum is equal to some subsets. So just max sum. So we just take the max. Okay. So sorry. I just written the wrong thing. Okay. Error. Cannot access local variable j where it is not associated with the value. Okay. Sorry. Array of j not in sets. Array of j again. Here. 11. What's the answer? So again, we got some issues. I don't know why. So I saw some comments. So, but I'm happy that you. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for your support. So this is my first time that so many comments I just read in my life. So hope. So I don't. So to be honest, I don't know Java, so I'm not well versed in Java. Just I know Python, so I'm just as beginner as you guys. So maybe you guys are better than me. So I just try to code in life so that I don't use any see any answers from the leak code or some other guy's answers. Just copy it. So that's the reason I just going online. So if you guys like me, you guys come and spend time with me. So if you guys know, let me know. Okay, okay. Davis Chauhan, thank you for your love, guy. So I have learned a bit first year. Yes, I'm happy with you guys. Just please like and subscribe. Every day we have live here. So yeah, I just try to concentrate here. So sorry for you guys. So if you guys have, please comment. I just try to finish this one. I don't know, but it's too hard for me. So the answer we had is 11, but I think there is some problem here. The 11, how it get is 5, 4. So till here we got stuck. So 5, 4, and 2. Okay, we just try to sort it out. So here I is there, and then after that I will go. So I will go here, and then J is uh, J is here, right? So just append the value 5, and then again it will go to, so till where it going to loop is I is 1 plus 3 4 minus 1 3. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 till here j going to loop. So 5 comma 4 comma 2, so it's 11. The answer we get again, I need to be iterate. So here I is there, and then create a new set. Okay, And then for j in range of I, so here j is there, right? If array, okay, so 4 we just append and set, and the next just iterate j 2. So before that, I where is I? So 0, 1, 2. So I is in 2 plus k is 3, 5 minus 1, 7, 6. Right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So okay. So we had some problem here. Okay. So let's say in here I plus, so what, I plus k minus 1, right? So here, so this is the problem here. So in for the first iteration, the j is from 0 plus 1 is 1. Sorry, I till I, right? Okay, from 0, comma, 0 plus 3 minus 1, 2. Right? Okay, so 0, 1, 2. Here we have total 3 elements. And then for I is equal to 1, I is 1, 1 plus 3, 4 minus 1, 3, right? So here we have 3 elements. And then I is equal to 2 means 2 plus, okay, so 5, k is 5 only, 5, 4. So, okay, so 2 comma 4, right? Okay, so here we also have 3 elements. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so j will be here, it will record 4, and then 2, and then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this will be the answer. I don't know why it's not showing that. Guys, I got frustrated. I don't know. Guys, I'm tired of solving this one. I don't know how to solve this one. So guys, I in live I just code some DSA. If you guys are interested in code some projects like not just the calculator app kind of thing, but some real world problem solving kind of thing. So we just take some problem and try to solve by learning some new text. Like I'm just more focusing on AI agents. So if you guys have any interested in learning so AI agents or build some agentic kind of thing, so you guys can comment here. So if you guys are interested, I try to make a live that too. So yeah. So, and above that, if you guys have know the answer for this problem, just please uh, comment this down. So I don't know how to solve this one. So, so I have got some answer, but uh, it says 11 or else I have any other. So it's my inputs are right. 154 299 triple nine page 3. Yeah. Or else can I use GPT for help or not? So I don't know. Don't know. So yeah, I just try to ask to GPT. Just bear with me. I don't know how to solve that. This is for the problem subarray for the subarray distinct elements. I didn't get the answer. There are some issues GPT try asks me to solve. Let's check by one. So here we need to add plus one. Okay. So to make sure the last window has taken. Okay, I comma I plus k minus one. This only goes till I plus k minus two, not including the last element. So it should I comma I plus k. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we just got an issue. Okay, so that's the problem. To be honest, I code all this, so just two lines, right? So yeah, so that's not a big problem we have. So yeah, we just try to code here. Window sum zero, result is equal to some infinity, and then yeah, for I in range, for I in range of length of nums minus k plus one, set is equal to set for j in range I comma I plus k. Sorry, nums of j not in sets means we just add the sets, right? So or else we just make Windows sum as zero, and then we just update Windows sum is equal to sum of sets, and then the result maximum of result comma Windows sum, and then return result. Okay, so I guess it will runs, but not all test case, I guess. So let's see. Okay, so it uses four. Why is that? After this only we calculate this, right? So for that we get this issue. But yeah, but we successfully run the test case one. But still, I guess we can optimize this further. Maybe we just give a condition if uh, the length of sets is less than k means k, right? Uh, Less than k means we just uh, can we do like this? Here the case 3. Sets, sorry, here plus 1 will need to be there. Okay, so I run the two test cases, but it doesn't run the full code, I guess. So yeah, that's it. If you guys uh, can able to solve this, good luck for you. But I don't know how to solve this thing properly. So, but it run two test cases. That's it. Okay, so yes, that's a positive. Wow. So it already runs for 54 test cases. So okay, so half win. Okay, so if you guys can able to solve, thank you for. Bro, the time complexity for the for my code, I guess it work n square. So because I use the two for loops, right? So it go through for work in worst case work in time complexity again the inner for loop for work and time complexity. So it will be of n square. So definitely it's not the optimized one. So yeah. And the what's the question? So I already pinned in the comment section. So it's 2461, I guess. Yeah, 2461. Maximum sum of distinct subarrays with length k. So if you can able to solve, so my suggestion is try to solve this one. It's from Geeks for Geeks. Before this attempting this question, the question is this one: the maximum sum of subarray with k elements. So I guess this will be the base easy one, but it feel bit easy. So and then this is like medium problem. So if you can able to solve, good luck for you. So I guess that's it for today. If you guys have any suggestion, you can post it in comment. Then yeah, if you like this thing, please like and subscribe to the channel. So the students from the first year, second year, or third year, maybe the final year too. So if you guys need to learn code, so you can come and just join our live. What are you referring for DS algorithm? So data structures and algorithm, right? So I don't really have that. So okay, so here is a site called Hello Interview. So uh, I will highly recommend this one. So it's very helpful for me to understand the code. So let's say, uh, so the positive thing is, so here they had given topic wise or algorithm wise problems. So from that you don't want to distract or you don't overthink at first. Okay, so let's say I just take a DP problem. Okay, so here I just take some random problem, decode base. So it's a medium problem. So you get a description. It's just basic thing. You can code here. The best thing of this is you have an explanation. If you don't able to understand, you can use this. So it will get a step-by-step process on how it works using visual concepts, right? So it's very helpful for me. If you guys like this, I guess you guys use this one. Okay, so you're on trees. Good luck. So I think in trees, so binary, there is some basic, the zigzag traversals, right? So zigzag traversals, and then Here, as I said, we already have some, let's say, you can refer this one, right? So here we have some three problems. So breadth search and then, yeah, DFS. We have BFS and DFS. These are some important problems like flood fill, number of islands. You just guys can understand this and try to solve this. Yeah, check if the tree is balanced or not. So these are all some important things. So just know the basic syntax. Don't try to see the answer. So the reason I am coming here for live is so you guys are better than me in code. Maybe not sure. So the thing we all have this one issue. So we just if we are frustrated, we just go and see the answer, whether in YouTube or in others blogs or in lead code itself in solutions sections. So to avoid that, I just try to go on live. So from that we can understand how we just think of the logic and how can we approach like that things. So that's the main purpose of this live. So if you guys like that, hope just like and subscribe to the channel. So when to start grab? Bro, just start now itself. So that's your choice. So it's not that tough. If you learn trees, it's similar. Let's say in it we have separate things, right? So trees and graphs. So in if you are move on to medium sized problems, so I guess it's all the same. The directed graphs are like trees and the graphs are like just undirected. To be honest, that will not work, I guess. The same thing I had done. So we just see the solution and keep that algorithm in mind. So better, my suggestion is try to solve some easy problems, very easy problems are related to what you learn. So let's say in arrays, let's say you take Cadence algorithm, right? So to find the target or something, or just a sliding window algorithm, just see the algorithm, how it works, and then with that, try to solve some three to four or maximum 10. Uh, that's your wish. If you like to solve the try to solve those easy problems. After that, a little bit try to move on medium sized problems. That's my suggestion. Rather, you just see the solution. That will not help. Maybe it will help for interview purpose, but uh, to become a good engineer, you need to learn these, right? So logic building, maximum subarray cutoffs. Yeah, I guess I already covered that in before life. So bear with me, guys. Again, I am telling this. So I am just a beginner, and you guys are better than me in coding or whatever. So the main purpose of this live is how can we think of the logic and how can we approach the problem. So many YouTube videos are there. So I didn't restrict that. So the thing is, they already solve the problem, or they just know the solution, or they just see the solution and then try to solve in a video. So from that, the main thing we don't get it. So how they think that logic, so how they come up with that logic, so we don't know that thing, right? So for that only I just make this live. So literally I don't know how to solve a problem which I taken now. So with that, you guys can also learn with me. So how can we understand? How can we think logic and how to write pseudocode and then proceed to the code. That's it. Okay, so I guess it's time. So okay, thank you guys for your love and support. So yeah, thank you.